Good day everyone, I am Dr. Jess Pateres, IDRN Regional LCC Coordinator for Region 7, proudly representing the IDRN Local Coordination Center of Central Visayas, Cebu. First, allow me to extend my warmest regards to the entire IDRN LCC team across the country, especially to our dedicated colleagues at the national headquarters. I sincerely apologize for not being able to attend this year 2025 activity due to unavoidable personal and professional responsibilities that required my presence here in the region. Nevertheless, I want to assure everyone that our Central Visayas LCC team remains strong, active, and committed. We continue to empower our members through trainings, orientation, and seminars, while also engaging with local government agencies in preparation to any potential disaster that may arise in our region. With the steadfast guidance and support of Kuya Elmer Helbolingo and the national headquarters, we stay updated and aligned with the latest IDRN development and activities. We regularly communicate with Kuya Elmer through both calls and chat to ensure that we are always synced with the national direction and priorities. While I may not be physically present with you today, please know that my support, spirit, and prayers are with all of you as we continue our shared mission of resilience, preparedness, and service to our communities. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.